This weekend was extremely hot with heatwave conditions in parts of the Cape provinces. Now this week we're expecting cooler conditions over parts of the country with isolated showers and thunderstorms. See your forecast. On Tuesday morning, we are expecting foggy conditions around the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia, here over the western coast, part of the Western Cape and around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Then an onshore flow of air bringing isolated to scattered light showers to the eastern coast, and into the afternoon we are expecting isolated thunderstorms around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, the Free State, and then over the Highveld as well. As we can see in these areas, scattered light showers possible around the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the Wild Coast, morning drizzle in parts of Limpopo, and then very isolated thunderstorms possible over parts of the Northern Cape, with isolated thunderstorms bubbling up over our neighbouring country Namibia, later moving over the extreme northern parts of the Northern Cape. We are expecting a very poor PB harvest over the eastern coast and in parts of the Lowveld, otherwise an average to excellent PB harvest over the rest of the country. This Tuesday, northeasterly to easterly winds blowing fresh to strong around the eastern and the southern coast. A fresh easterly to southeasterly wind blowing around the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Windy at times in the Lowveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but fresh northwesterly winds expected in Namibia, as well as here over the western parts of the Northern Cape, with the Weather Service warning against runaway fires over parts of the Northern Cape and Limpopo, so please be careful. But in the Western Cape, we are expecting a comfortable afternoon around the southwestern and the southern coast, a bit windy at times around the southern coast with an easterly wind blowing fresh to strong at times, but still warming up over the interior, temperatures above 30, and isolated thunderstorms later possible here over parts of the Karoo as well as the northern parts of the Eastern Cape. This onshore northeasterly wind bringing light showers to the eastern coast, where it will be quite cool, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, but temperatures in the upper 20s over the interior of the Eastern Cape. The same onshore wind bringing light showers to the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, also cooler conditions with 20 in the afternoon in Durban, isolated thunderstorms possible into the afternoon around the escarpment in KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Free State, spreading over the Highveld where it will be quite cool, only 21 in the afternoon in Belfast, but hot in the Lowveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and a bit windy at times, temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Quickly warming up in the Bushveld to a maximum of 32 in the afternoon in Palabala, Lephalale and Thabazimbi. Then in northwest, we're expecting partly cloudy skies, a bit windy in the morning, later temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius in Ventersdorp and Rustenburg. In the Northern Cape, foggy conditions around the western coast and much cooler conditions, only 19 in the afternoon in Alexander Bay, but quickly warming up over the interior of the Northern Cape, temperatures reaching the mid-30s in Uppington, and a few patchy thunderstorms possible into the afternoon. In the Free State, we're expecting partly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms over the eastern and southern parts of the province. Otherwise, we're expecting hot conditions with 29 in the afternoon in Bloemfontein. In Gauteng, partly cloudy skies and warming up to temperatures in the upper 20s, 29 in Pretoria, 27 in Vereniging. Then on Wednesday, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms over the central parts of the country. A few isolated thunderstorms now also possible in Gauteng. Cooler conditions moving in over the Western Cape, only 21 in the afternoon in Cape Town, but warmer now over the eastern parts of the country, 27 in Pietermaritzburg, and windy conditions around the eastern coast. On Thursday, isolated thunderstorms possible in Limpopo and Mpumalanga, otherwise partly cloudy skies and windy conditions over the western interior. Cooler conditions yet again for the Western Cape, only 19 in the afternoon in George, but bergwind conditions now warming up the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal, 33 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Tuesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.